Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So what we have here is an iPhone 5C, which has a badly damaged screen. The touch only works on a very small portion on this side, but nothing over here, nothing up here. It's barely cracked on the surface, but that LCD is cracked, making the screen completely useless. We have a replacement screen and we are going to fix it today. Let's get right into it. So one thing I noticed is that this screw right here is missing. So I got one from a donor phone and we'll be installing that. So once again, problems with screws. These I don't think are the right length. And some of the other ones might not be as well. So I have this iPhone 5 screen and the screws are the same length, or at least close enough. So I will take the screws from here to install into the new screen. Currently turning it on just to test it before we seal it up. So this phone does seem to work, and the screen is working, but there is a spot here which I assume is just a screw I tightened too much. So I'm going to take a look at that before we seal it up. Okay, so I ended up just having to reseat the metal plate, that metal shield. I did it off camera, but as you can see, there is no longer a spot. So we are good to seal the phone up. Lastly, we are just going to clean the outside of this phone because as you can see, it's pretty gross. And also like in the ports, it's pretty gross. So yeah, let's just clean that off. Finally, we can remove protective film, clean our screen, and we're done. So here it is. The once totally destroyed iPhone 5C is now in working order and ready for a new user. Anyways, if you liked this video, let me know. If you didn't like it, also let me know. Feel free to leave a like. Anyways, thanks for watching.